Today, we'd like to ask the question, what is in the stable? When you today are looking at your life in Christ, I want you to be thinking back 2,000 years ago when the shepherds came into the stable and saw Jesus and the manger. Were their eyes on the cows, on the sheep, on the smell, on how cold it was that night? Were they thinking all about their finances? Let's bring it up to today. What is in the stable of our lives? Are you smelling the waste of the stable? Are you smelling the smell of the cows or the manure or the outdoors? Do those things surrounding Christ offend you? Remember, the star passed through Jerusalem. You can read this in Matthew chapter 2. It passed by the temple, the priest, and all the religious systems, and it came to a little stable. What is in the stable? Maybe the stable was on the side of the hill or in the cliff somewhere. It wasn't about the cliff. It wasn't about being at nighttime and the angels appearing in the heavens. It was what was inside of that little stable. Today, what is inside of your heart? Let's get our eyes off of just all what's around that stable, around your heart. Can we focus in? Because 2,000 years ago, when they were in that place, here we are today. I wonder if it would still be a simple, humble place where shepherds today could accept the word, or people that were uneducated. They weren't like involved in the big things in the Jerusalem place. Today, I want to encourage you to keep your eyes on Christ and not on the stable furnishings, not on the climate or the cold, or just always worried about the job or the school or your clothes, the things that surround this part of Christ. What is in the stable? Keep your ears on the word promises and not on the noise of the city. Today, what is in your stable? Let's put Christ back into Christmas. Let's put Christ in that main place.